So after we have found the relevant audience, now is the time when we should go ahead and now get this data directly from LinkedIn, right? So the next step after this would be to get data. Perfect. So two type of data that we have to get from LinkedIn or extract from LinkedIn. First is the relevant companies data which we have found on LinkedIn, and second important step is the relevant leads data. Okay, so the two data that we have to get from LinkedIn is first is the relevant companies data, right? Let's relevant companies data, and after that it is relevant leads data. Now the relevant companies data generally is from which sources can you get this data, right? So for this what we'll do is we'll use the automation tool, okay, which we have talked about. So we'll use this automation tool. I will show you a live demo of how we can use this tool to get the data, correct? And in case we find incomplete company details generally through this automation tool, and we want more about the company email id, phone number, if this automation tool is not able to get it, then what you can do is you can directly refer to the direct sources. Direct sources are generally your website. Okay, so we'll talk about this also in detail. Now after this, let's say what about relevant leads. Now again, similarly for relevant leads, we'll to get this data we'll use this automation tools, okay, automation extraction tools. Okay, and if for some reason we are not able to get all the data from the automation tool, specifically in terms of email id or phone number, then what we'll do is then we'll look into how we can use the email and phone finder extensions. Okay, very very important, email and phone finder extensions to get data from for these specific leads. Okay, so this is all about get data. This is exactly what we'll do for get data. Okay, and let's go ahead and for each of this let's look at how we can use automation tools, direct source websites, and email and phone finder extension to get the entire data from LinkedIn.